Hey everyone, it's the Disneyland Geek here. I just thought I would do this quick video to share some exciting news that I just found out like 15 minutes ago. And it's that starting June 15th, Disneyland will officially let out-of-state visitors come back into their theme parks. So as you know, June 15th is when California is lifting all of their restrictions. So I'm very, very excited about this. Living out here in Phoenix, Arizona, I've just been patiently waiting, and I'm just so happy. Yeah, so starting June 15th is when you're able to visit Disneyland and California Adventure from out of state. So what the website said was that they recommend that you are fully vaccinated and have like proof, or at least have proof that you've tested negative for COVID. I'm not sure if Disney's doing anything to check on visitors, because like they said it didn't seem like they were requiring proof of vaccination, which is different from how Universal in Hollywood is doing it. So it is interesting, but I'm still excited about this news because I'm fully vaccinated. So if I have to show proof of my vaccination card, I will. But I don't think that's going to be necessary. Now, looking at the theme park reservation calendar, because now you can reserve up to 120 days out. A lot of June is already booked up, pretty much for the first half, and like even after the 15th, like there are reservations booked up. Like it's not till like the last week of June where you can have a good chance of getting it. But pretty much all of July, August, September is available for right now. So I'm definitely planning on I'm gonna probably make a weekend trip out there. I haven't decided which dates yet, because I have one trip somewhere for the last week of June. So now I'm trying to decide like maybe if I should go from there straight to California right after, spend a few days at Disneyland. But I am very excited about this, so yeah. I'm just really happy. So so you can go to Disneyland's website right now, buy your tickets, make your theme park reservations, and so like starting June 15th, you can go into a Disneyland and California Adventure from out of state. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna plan on going, make some videos, and I'm really excited, especially with Avengers Campus opening in just like very soon. Like I think it's next week. Is it next week? Or yeah, it is next week actually, June 4th. I may be wrong, but I think I'm right. So yeah, it's gonna be very exciting. Though I'm probably not gonna spend $100 on a sandwich, mainly because I'm traveling solo and it's meant for families. I may get one of those Spider-Man accessories for the ride, just because it seems cool. And I think I can get a Legacy Pass discount on it. I'm not sure. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say about it. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope that those of you who are visiting Disneyland during this time are having a blast. And I'll try to get a new video uploaded by this weekend to like another ride from my recent trip to Universal. So be on the lookout for that. And until then, I will see you very soon in the parks.